In this video I will show you how you can create this dark retro look in Photoshop. First, make sure that your layer is a smart object. Then go to Filters, Noise, and then click on Add Noise. Zoom in to see the changes and adjust the slider to your taste. I would recommend something below 10%, but it really depends on what kind of picture you are using. Some images will only work if you add 20 or even 30% noise. Now add the gradient map and click on the color. You will need to adjust these two sliders. The left one will affect the darker areas of the image and the right one will affect the lighter parts of the image. Slide the 2 points closer to each other and then click on this little dot between them. Slide it close to the left marker, and as you can see, this will affect how the blending between the two colors will work. All these positions will be different on every image, so play around with it until you get a look that you like. To save some time, you can save everything you make by naming it and then clicking on this button. Next, add a curves adjustment layer. Boost the lighter parts of the image and make the dark parts slightly darker. Now add the hue saturation adjustment layer and slide the lightness marker around 6. This number will also be different with every picture, just don't go too crazy with it. Lastly, add a texture on the top of everything and change the blend mode to screen and its opacity to around 50%. And that is pretty much it. Experiment with all this stuff and over time you will discover some really good results.